My name's Thomas Goddard and I've been making a film called The Queen of the Sea. Queen of the Sea is a film based on a 1918 silent film by John Adolphi that was lost, and with it being to the sea and the Queen of the Sea boat that travels along the Menai, I thought it would be an ideal opportunity to remake that film with the community in Carnarvon. And then Henry Horrell has been sort of creating kind of somewhere between sort of this kind of music hall piano, Georges Méliès type music to accompany the silent film as well.
The process of turning the characters into music has involved Tom, the filmmaker, giving me a rough idea of characters and the kind of themes he wants for them, which I've got here written out.
And it was just a sort of a crazy, sort of silly idea about trying to do something in 48 hours and what that looks like and how that feels and how that can be quite inspiring to work quickly and to collaborate quite quickly with people as well. I think Henry's quite enjoyed it.
A final edit of the film has come to me about 3 hours or 4 hours before it's due to be shown, so I've gone a bit crazy. The film looks great. It's deliberately shot to be like a silent movie. We've got lots of very one-dimensional, here's the evil guy coming on, and it keeps cutting to black screen, so I really like it, it's funny. And also Carnarvon features highly in it. It's a 4 to 5 minute condensed version of a film, so it moves very quickly.
The end product's got to be good, you know, it's got to be strong. I think for everyone involved, you know, it's about the experience that they get from it as well, obviously. For me, it's both, you know, like the process. You know, when you're working with people, you're learning all the time. You know what I mean? Like I couldn't work in the same way with the community now that I'm working in a much more mature, I suppose, maybe making a film in 48 hours. But like there's a wealth of experience that comes with, you know, working in this way, in this kind of guerrilla filmmaking way, I suppose. And yeah, process is important to artists, but you know, it's about going on a bit of a journey as well and having some fun while you do it.